Hey there, Jason over at Sage 3 Motorsports here. We have our 2011 F150 XL project truck. We're going to be talking about the RCI skid plates that we installed it. This particular truck ended up with RCI's raw aluminum engine skids. On our 2014 hunting truck build, we actually installed the full powder-coated steel skid plate package. This just has the engine skid, so we got front, and it's a two-piece design with a front and rear, protects the power steering, the oil pan, a lot of the critical stuff that you can come into contact to when you're off-roading. A couple of big reasons we wanted to install this. One, I do off-road this truck. Two, the hammerhead bumper, which I do love, didn't actually come with a skid plate. Some off-road bumpers actually include their own skid. This particular one did not, so went with RCI. And three, the hammerhead bumper actually kept the stock air dam. I was not a huge fan of that look, so added the RCI skids, gave it a nice clean appearance going all the way underneath the truck. We're pretty big fans of these skid plates. We've already got a good amount of use of them off-road. These steel skid plates are a 10 gauge, which is like a 0.14 inch, and the raw aluminum are actually a little bit thicker at 0.25 inches or a quarter inch. I was a little bit paranoid about putting powder-coated steel skid plates on a truck that I'm going to be beating the crap out of. That turned out to be a little bit unfounded given the quality of the powder coat finish on these things. Here's the front skid plate that we didn't get to install on our hunting truck build because it would not fit with our Weston HDX grill guard. The powder coat quality is actually extraordinarily good. I don't think we even managed to nick the ones that we did manage to install on the hunting truck build. The only real downside to the steel is that it is pretty heavy. The full skid plate package in steel weighs about 75 pounds. The raw aluminum full package weighs 52 pounds, I believe. So there is a pretty significant weight difference. The skids are pretty easy to install. The engine skid comes with brackets that actually drop it down, which allows it to work with bumpers like this and other aftermarket accessories. Not our HDX grill guard, unfortunately. Basically bolt on all the hole, it just installs the holes in the frame, and then the rear skid plate actually installs in place of the factory skid if you have an off-road package truck. The transmission skid also just installs in factory holes, and the transportation skid just bolts in place with the factory one. Overall, RCI makes a really good product. It's tough, easy install, and does come with a few options, so good to go on any truck.